Hey guys, in this video we'll discuss about timeless. What is timeless? The eternity is present. Okay. So what we call as eternity? Eternity means something which never ends, which has which never ends. But eternity is not related with time. This is the point. Eternity is not something which is related with time. Timeless is now. Like, if you will be able to understand that the timeless is something which has to be beyond time. When we call eternity, then people understand it that something which is always, like, which is always is fine, but it seems that which will never end, like it is in future, like it is right now, and like it will be in future. People, everyone relates with it with time, like it is endless time. But eternity is not endless time, it is timeless. It is always present. Eternity is present. When you are completely in present, and there has something, a basic ground, which is the silence, which is the ground of all the happenings. The reality, which is the absolute silence, which is the ground of all the happenings. That is silence, that is intelligence, that is understanding. And when you also take, see, first of all, if you have understood timeless, that timeless is now, it is eternal now. Okay, always now. If you understand the depth of this, not just at the level of just words, but in practical life, if you see it, that the timeless is now and eternity is present. The silence is the ground of all the happenings. If you understand it deeply, even the thoughts about this is about time. The thought about the timeless is also about time, because thought is always about past or future. It is not about the absolute presence. Like, the presence is the ground for the thought, which is formless, which you cannot imagine, which is right now, even when you are listening. Then this is also timeless. Like, so understand this: eternity is present, timeless is now, but not just in words, in practical life. If you see it and live with it. Hopefully this video was helpful for you.